1. RPG Maker character is fun to use, but it is not built for RTS or MOBA and has no process for creating non-humans. 2. DOTA Cinema Spotlights. This is what I want the finished product of the video section to look like after exporting from the RTS and MOBA editor. 3. Blender is powerful but has a high learning curve and only allows usage if you want to specialize. RTS and MOBA editor traits. 1. Can make a Dota or League content as a fan for the game. 2. Can make a race for StarCraft or another RTS as a fan for the game. 3. Can make environments/heroes/attributes/items/tech tree/abilities/buildings/neutral ideas for the game. 4. Can export to make a finished product video that looks professionally made. 5. Can export to Dota Workshop or StarCraft 2 editor/blender/3ds max/etc. 6. Can import from Dota Workshop/StarCraft 2 editor/blender/3ds max/etc. 7. Can reimagine RTS and MOBA implemented content. 8. Can imagine RTS and MOBA content not imagined yet. 9. Easy to get into and powerful. 10. Can suggest whatever you feel.
That is the basic idea I want to promote. So let's look at okay, so filter, adjust, saturate. So this is what I want to suggest right here. This editor. Oh, it's already gray. Okay. Okay, so right now I want to talk about the control panel. The control panel is white, so you can't really see it. Let's color it black. Let me see. I gotta redo this. Okay, so I don't know how to change that. It's gotta be unprofessional. So I don't know how to change it. Okay, so copy there, paste. Okay, so desaturation. Okay, so this is the editor idea. This is the control panel where you can switch between races you want to edit, creeps you want to edit, or neutrals, non-hero units, heroes, buildings, cosmetics, characters, items. That's the basic idea for this. This is the scripting session. In this section, you can manipulate the abilities. Um, you can manipulate the abilities. Um, to act as you or to perform the way you wanted to perform. Okay, so the model display and the ability menu. And this idea is that you can it basically shows what the hero does during the game. Or it shows what the hero looks like, or the building, or whatever you're changing. The ability menu as you edit is where you can select what ability you want to change. Preset selection is where you can choose what presets you want to have on your model and what what you want to change about the model. Video section is how you make it into a usable film. I'll go into more detail pretty soon about that sort of thing. Movement keys. This is so you can toggle between what you're aiming for. You can toggle between sets of things, and yeah. The model menu and the headings menu. The model menu shows the models you can select to put in the model section. The headings is what you can control or identify what so you can know what you're doing during the game or the editor. Team chat. This is so you can chat with other people about how to manipulate their ideas, get feedback, get feedback on your own ideas, stuff like that. So let's look at where I got the idea from. The first idea came from RPG Maker. The character generator, which you can completely remake You can completely remake anything you want it to be. This is the basic idea behind my character editor. You can change about almost anything you want it to be. That's basically what it is. You can export it and do anything you want. You make this character in the game. I don't feel like doing that right now because also got the idea from this. This is the final product because I want to see in the editor. When you export to YouTube, this is what I want it to look like. Or the DOTA 2 workshop or whatever you're using. The third idea I got it from was from here. This is the third idea I got it from, or the fourth, or whatever. This is also what I want it to look like. We can make something like this. And something like this. Yeah, that's my dream. Have a cool editor for making MOBA ideas.